The touchscreen is your control panel for accessing functions, features, and apps in your Tesla. Navigation acts similar to Google Maps that you use on your phone or computer, providing you with satellite view and real-time traffic. On the right, we have the Places button. This loads up recent destinations you've traveled to. Favorites displays your home address or other addresses you frequent often and have saved. The Chargers tab provides you with quick access to local charging destinations. The Tesla tab shows only Tesla supercharger stations for fast refueling while on longer trips. The Destination tab shows all Tesla destination charging locations. These are Tesla wall connectors at partnership locations. The last tab shows all charging locations. This includes all public, non-Tesla charging stations in addition to Tesla supercharger stations and destination charging locations. The Visited Chargers tab shows all recent charging locations you've connected to. Next in navigation is Search. Simply type in an address or business name to see results. You can also search for a destination using the voice command on the steering wheel. When the correct location pops up, just touch to begin navigation to that destination. Once navigation has begun, navigation automatically appears in the instrument cluster when routing to a destination. For long trips, your navigation will automatically plan a route including Tesla supercharger stations and provides you estimates on how long you will need to charge at each stop. The Location button toggles the map between direction of travel up, north up, and displaying the remainder of a route that has been plugged into nav. The electric bolt icon shows and hides charging locations on your map. If you are in need of additional assistance, you can reach Tesla support at 844-248-3752.